going to try a larger sawdust burner, having seen a slightly different design on YouTube. This one I've just made up out of a 25 litre solvent tin. I've cut a small hole, well it's about 4 to 5 centimetres in the front. I've actually cut all the way around the side edge, just on the lip of this one, and luckily it enables this to just sit in the top there nicely. So inside we need to put one long log down the centre, like so, and a slightly shorter one in through the front to meet it, and then we fill this with sawdust and ram it down. Now I've packed this down, sawdust down all the way around. I haven't filled it to the top, so I want a little bit of air gap there, so when I put the lid on there's some air space for the fumes to escape. Hopefully I can withdraw this log. Right, I'm having to redo this with 40mm waste pipe tubing because the logs I was using were not smooth enough, so it just collapsed all the sawdust in on the hole. So here we're attempt number 2. Okay, it's now filled. Let's try this again. There we go, that's much better. Okay, that's a lot now. This hole in the front, it should act like a rocket stove. Definitely a light. Let's come back later when that's off and running.